today we'll talk about how can you connect or link with your account on your Hinge app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on your photo profile down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. You go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you come here to connected accounts here, and here can you link with your Google and Facebook here. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. That's all. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. So thank you for your watching.